Hello guys and welcome to the channel Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making buttermilk pancakes. Yeah, you heard that right. Buttermilk pancakes. Stick around for the recipe. Alright, here guys we have our whole milk and we have a tablespoon of vinegar. We're going to get that added and we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes, and what that's going to do is going to create our buttermilk. Alright guys, now that our buttermilk has set for 10 minutes, we're going to get the rest of our wet ingredients added. We have vanilla extract, 1 egg, and we have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And then just get that mixed in really good. Alright guys, now we have our dry ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to just get that stirred around a little bit. We have 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we're just going to get that stirred in really well. Alright, now guys, we got our dry ingredients mixed up, our wet ingredients. We're going to get our wet ingredients added to our dry ingredients. And we're going to just get that mixed up really well. And just kind of, you don't want to over mix it, but you kind of want to get most majority of the clumps out of it. And then it's going to be thick like a pancake consistency. Alright guys, and now that we've got our batter mixed up, we're going to get our pan sprayed or our griddle, whichever you're using. And we're going to get our pancake mix added to our griddle, and we're going to be using approximately 1/3 cup of pancake mix per pancake. By the way guys, I have my temperature of my griddle set at 350. And guys, when you start seeing bubbles at the top of the pancakes, you know it's about time for them to be flipped. So just kind of check them and then give them a flip. And then you're going to just let them cook until they're brown on the opposite side. And you can also check, you know, after a minute or two to see if they're browned enough. And now it's time to get these pancakes plated. And look at that guys, how delicious buttermilk pancakes. Now it's time to get your butter added to your pancakes, and then we're going to get our syrup added on top of our pancakes. Look at that guys, just drizzle as much as you want or as little as you want, whatever the case may be. But look at that, it looks delicious. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and comment and definitely subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it.